Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working in 2012 Ford Fusion 3.0 V6. Customer complaints when you drive the car, shut-offs, take forever, long cranking. This is my little brother car. He buy it cheap, and the original owners, is what they say, is the one being told. They take it to the dealership. They say it might be the ignition switch key. Then I'll doubt it. Can be the PCM. Then I think I'm doubted. I think this is gonna be something else. I don't think this is gonna be the case. The problem, the PCM is gonna be damaged. Might, but I doubt it in this particular year. Anyways, the symptom is when you're driving the car, nice and smooth, and cut off the engine. Stops. Sometimes you get lucky, starts right up, or sometimes starts for a couple 5 seconds and shut off. You have to play with it. Let's see, we have a code or something like that, so they can help us with this troubleshooting. Let's look for codes. Let's push OK. Let's go to engine, continue. Let's go to codes, menu, key on engine off, self-test. Let's push continue. Self-test testing for 60 seconds. I'll be back with you guys to see what we can find. We came with the P1000. Somebody disconnect the battery, or somebody cleared the codes. Alright, let me go back. Let me see. Key on, engine running. We have to start the cart. Let's push continue. Continue. Let's do some tests. I'll be right back. Alright, it's already, look. Key on, engine off, self test. Only pass P1000. All the force, that means somebody disconnect the battery or clear the codes. I did the test, key on, engine running, self test. Same thing, PL1000. Somebody was there. Memory codes, no memory codes. Continue memory, key must be on, engine off, okay. I don't see no codes. You see, same codes. Alright, let me go back. Let me see pending codes. No codes, okay, help me. Right, this is the deal right here, guys. Check that out. I want to start to crank the engine. I want to try to crank the engine and won't start this time. Where's where? Right. Is where, guys. Alright, I just hit reverse. Engine went off. Alright, put it back in parking. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Look. You guys can see my hands. Still cranking, still cranking. One more time. You guys can see? This is the symptoms, is why is the way my brother, he bought the car. Like I say, they told us, they take it to the dealership, The dealership does say there was the key, can be the PCM. I doubt it. Something else. Well, we don't get no codes right now, but before, when I dropped the car to the house, drives fine, start fine, installed the engine and won't start. And I have a hard time to drive the car all the way home. Anyways, the first time I scan it, pop those two codes, crank sensor. And another one, P061C, is the VV sensor, is the speed sensor. Anyways, my experience and my knowledge, I think those had to be something with the cam or crank sensor. Let me go home, components test. US domestic. Yep. Good, okay. Let me go to fuel injection. This is the cam. I'm interested in the crank sensor. Components information. Alright guys, you guys see the symptoms? I think this is the crank sensor. If you guys gonna learn how to troubleshoot it, how to tackle this problem, how I can figure out if the crank sensor is working or not, then stay tuned guys. This is JR Auto Tech, and see you to the next video, video number 2. Thank you for watching. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is JR Auto Tech. Remember, I was showing you about 2012 Ford Fusion. Check that out. I'm in the crank sensor. Let me zoom you guys. Let me zoom you guys. Check it out. Bare wires. You guys see? You see all this wire? It's not good, guys. This is gonna be our problem over here. All bare wire, you guys. You guys can see it, they're touching each other. No good, no bueno. I want to fix it and show you the results and show you how to troubleshoot the crank position sensor. I'll be back with you guys. Just bear with me. Alright, let's check that out. Here we fix the problem. Alright, let's put our AC. This is kind of hot. Let me put reverse. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're here in reverse. Let's go check that out. Let's drive this puppy. You see, we fixed the problem. You see the engine stall, cut off, shut off the engine, stuff like that. Acting weird, acting stupid. We'll be driving for 40 minutes. The car has to fix. I fixed the problem. That was not the crank sensor. That was the wiring. Anyways, to be honest, I've been driving this car since yesterday. Took it all the way to Bakersfield, back and forth, and thus installed the engine even since this car is a fix already, and I know I'll bring it up to you guys. I will show you how to test the crank pushing sensor. But the thing is, I don't have no time. You know, I have a lot of work. I have to work in 2 different cars right now. The thing is, if you guys interested how to test a crank or cam sensor, go to JR Autotech on Facebook or on YouTube. And like the BMW, I'll show you to test a crank pushing sensor. It's the same principle, same scenario. This car is driving fine. Like I say, today is Thursday. Yesterday I took it for a spin. And this car drives like a champ. Anyways, this is JR Autotech, and thank you for watching my videos.